let's talk about how to find the best real estate deals. Now this house that we're standing at right here is a deal. It was actually a call-in. The lady contacted us through our website because she wanted to sell the house fast. So our acquisitions guy, Andy, answered the phone, built rapport with her, and we walked through her unique situation to figure out how we could best serve her. Now, driving for dollars, I'll compile a big list of all of the deferred maintenance properties in my local area and municipality. From there, we'll take that list, we'll do something what's called skip tracing. So we'll send the records out to get the owner's contact information so we can get them on the phone and negotiate a price. And then we're prepared where we can meet the seller on site, talk about the condition of the house, and then relate to the neighborhood and other landmarks to help bring familiarity with the seller. What this does, it builds rapport, and it also shows them that you're familiar with the area and you have the experience and you are best suitable as the real estate investor to serve them in this unique situation. So at the end of the day, this should be a great buy for us, guys. Once she gets here, we'll walk through it. We'll give her the price that we've already predetermined, a ballpark range of where we can be as far as the offer, and we'll sign the contract, creating a win-win situation for the seller and getting us a great deal at the end of the day. You guys want to learn more of the game? Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and we got some free resources for you inside of the description. I'll see you on the other side.